Maya.
Hi, well, we're actually here at Charter Oak Health Center, and the urgent care center here treats COVID patients 7 days a week. And right now, this facility alone is seeing a 31% COVID rate, and Hartford isn't even one of the counties with the highest rates. A rainy New Year's Eve, car after car picking up free COVID-19 test kits in New Haven, one of 4 counties now on the CDC's high alert for COVID.
So what that means, the CDC recommends that anyone living in these orange high categories, if they may want to consider wearing a mask at any indoor event.
Connecticut's Department of Public Health recommending people heed the CDC's advice and mask up indoors in Middlesex, New Haven, Litchfield, and Fairfield counties, where COVID hospitalizations are highest. Cases are still high at yellow or medium levels across the rest of the state.
We recommend wearing a mask if indoors in public. Get tested if you have symptoms, and stay home if you have symptoms. And please stay up to date on your vaccine, especially that updated booster.
Health officials anticipated a winter surge and say it's linked to a new variation of the Omicron variant. Dr. Luis Federico Diaz treats patients at Charter Oak Health Center in Hartford's Frog Hollow neighborhood. It alone is seeing a 31% COVID infection rate.
There is a lot of other testing that are done at home that we don't really know about the positivity rate for them.
So you think it's a lot higher than we realize?
Yeah, I think it is.
Dr. Diaz says the latest variant is more transmissive, but symptoms tend to be milder. The latest booster became available back in September and is touted for its effectiveness against this variant. You can get the booster at least 2 months after your primary vaccine or your last booster.
I actually got my 3rd booster already. And if you haven't gotten the most recent one, you should, because that one has a strain that is really closer to the infectivity that we have right now.
We also caught up with an epidemiologist over at Hartford Healthcare, what they recommend concerning masking, coming up at 6 o'clock. We're live in Hartford. Samaya Hernandez, Fox 61 News.